Welcome my YouTube channel Dream Bikes Hub. When did MT125 confirm launch date? In the European market, Yamaha will be offering the new MT125 in 3 color options: Ice Fluo, Icon Blue, and Midnight Black. The motorcycle is expected to reach the showrooms by... Is the Yamaha MT125 learner legal? Featuring a high-tech EU5 compliant engine as well as compact mass forward body work and aggressive next-generation mount design. This sporty learner legal 125cc lightweight is the ultimate introduction to the hyper-naked motorcycling experience. Is the Yamaha MT125 learner legal? Featuring a high-tech EU5 compliant engine as well as compact mass forward body work and aggressive next-generation mount design. This sporty learner legal 125cc lightweight is the ultimate introduction to the hyper-naked motorcycling experience. What is the price of MT125 top model? Color options and price in India 2024. Yamaha MT125 is expected to be priced around 1.2 lakh rupees in India. Yamaha is best forever in the world. In India, this bike is very famous. This have special qualities, a different model. Is MT125 good for long rides? Ride quality and brakes. The brakes are a bit vague, but do the job. Obviously, being a 125, not much fun cruising on a bigger road at 70 miles per hour. It can do it comfortably, but take the back roads and it's way more fun. How many cc is Yamaha MT125? The Yamaha MT125 is a premium learner-friendly naked bike and is powered by a Euro 5 compliant liquid-cooled 124.7cc single-cylinder engine with variable valve timing VVT, producing 14.8 bhp at 9,000 revolutions per minute and maximum torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute. I hope this video more informative and helpful for you. Please press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.